I was gifted these pregnancy tests. I actually have 4 kids of my own and I'm expecting baby number 5. So I have actually used quite a few pregnancy tests and I thought I would tell you what I think about these ones. So this is a pack. It comes with 5. I know there are different variations that have different amounts, but this specific one has 5. I like that they are all individually wrapped and they have a lot number and an expiration date. These ones are good until 2028. So it does also have an instruction sheet. If you are new to taking pregnancy tests, highly recommend you looking through these. Pregnancy tests for the HCG hormone in urine. And so if it is present, then you're pregnant. And if it's not, then you're not pregnant. So these are early testers. They can test and get an accurate result up to 6 days before your missed period. So if you're expecting your period on like a Saturday, then it's going to be 6 days before the Saturday that might flag. So I want to show you these. You can open them up. This is how they look. They come like this. I do love these because these are midstream tests. So you don't have to have a cup. You don't have to pee into a cup and then test your urine like that. These you can just hold under your stream for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you cap it and you don't have urine everywhere. So you just let it sit for a few minutes and then it will tell you, of course, 1 line is not pregnant and 2 lines is pregnant. So these are a great, easy to hold test. They don't feel like they'll be slipping and sliding around if you're peeing on the stream, holding this in the stream, and then you can cap it, like I said, and wait for the results. So as far as tests go, these are fantastic quality. It feels like a great quality. I do love how it has instructions on the box as well as like this. So you can kind of, if you end up throwing this away, it's still on the box, which is great. And they're pretty generic. Like most tests are very similar. So if you just pee on it, wait for a few minutes, it probably will give you a result. So as I am expecting right now, I'm gonna go quickly take this test and see if it flags positive, because it should. All right, it's been like one literal minute, so it's not fully developed. This stuff will clear up. It's kind of pinkish in the background. It'll become a full white, but I love this because there's no pee out here, and yet you still get an accurate result. These, I'm definitely pregnant, like this, so obviously. So they are accurate, so highly recommended if you're looking into pregnancy tests.